Guys, today I'm going to be demonstrating how easily the Gen4 EFI starts. It's a cold day. I have not run this car yet this morning. We've got an ambient temperature of 15 Celsius. For all the naysayers, I shall pinpoint at my exhaust 13.9, 13.6. It's cold. Not Northern European or Northern American winter cold, but cold nonetheless. Keys, inserting, switch off immobilizer, you'll hear the fan run and the ECU turn on. Now, without getting in, I shall push on my start button. Oh, fail. Try again. Idle smoothly, easily. A little bit above 1000 RPM as the engine is ice cold. You can see by the oil temperature. It is cold. Engine idles without issue. I shall blip the throttle a couple of times. No stall, no problem.